to Castle Doombad free to slay. Now, I think we completed, what is it, like 5 levels? Come on. Yeah. Oh, shoot, no. No. Come on. Oh, my God. Load. Stage 3. I don't want to go on stage 3. Okay. Maybe. Oh, actually. Oh, my God. Okay. Tap. Okay. So we've done 5 levels so far. We need to finish level 6 and 7. So let's go on to stage 6. I'm not sure what I want to do. I want to try out. I don't have enough this money tentacles, so let's buy the overactive AC, and it slows them down. So let's unlock that. Let's equip that. So then we need a minion, equip, 4 spikes, that, and the harpoon cannon. Let's see if I can destroy them, basically. Okay, so we have 200 screens right now. Okay, I think what I want to do is put a cannon right there. I want to put a cannon on every floor. That's what I want to do, really. And then put one right here. There. And then maybe one put 4 spikes right here. And maybe put a chiller right there. Just so the, harpoon cannon might be able to get to them. Yes, there we go. As a hero incoming, put a minion right there. Okay, what? Oh, he's not fighting a minion. Okay. No. Kill him. Okay, good. I'm gonna put like a 4 spike right here. Good. Okay. I'm pretty sure they're killing everyone. Now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put 4 spikes there. I'm not sure if that was such a good idea, but if that doesn't work, I'll put a minion right there. Come on, minion. Minion! Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Dang it. Kill him. No! Oh, man. He got seized. Crap. That sucks. The good thing is I have 3 of these, the power-ups or whatever. So hopefully that would be good. I'm going to put 4 spikes right there. That might be enough to screw them over, I guess. I'm going to be literal. But, yeah. I'm hoping I can... Oh, yeah, I forgot they can come up. I got 2 minions there. Oh. I want a minion to be right there. I'm going to put a minion there. Get the coin. It's 95. I don't know what that does. Put 4 spikes there. I have 2. Okay, I want a minion. I want to put another minion. Okay, how much does that give me? 85. I want to put another 4 spike right here. That way the minions won't be just stuck doing work. Okay. Shoot. 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 I'll put... What? I can't put a trap there. Okay, minion, go to work. Go to town. Yay! I got a thing. Cool. Okay, I think I'm doing well. But yes! The castle got secured. Let's go. Okay. Okay, so I only got 75. Oh, I went for that. Okay. I'm gonna upgrade the harpoon cannon to level 2. Yes. Critical hit can. Let's go. Stage 7. Nice. Okay. So let's put a over... I don't know what I want to do. What? Who's this guy? Oh, shoot. Slow him down. Freeze him. What? What kind of ninja... What kind of ninja is this guy? Puns. Dang it. This ninja's gonna be tricky. Kill him. Yes. Oh, dang. That ninja guy's gonna be hard. That's what he said, but this ninja's gonna be really annoying. Yes, I give 10 heroes yeah. Yeah, I killed him. I froze 10 things. Okay. Try a different spot. There's a flying monkey. Hero's coming. I want to put that one there. I want to put. Oh shoot! I want to put there. I want to put 2 freeze dudes. What? There's 3. This is not good. This is not good. What the heck? No. Oh. What? How is that fair? How is this fair? What? Maybe I need to put like 1,000,000,000 spikes or something. Maybe I need to like nuke him. Nuke him dead. Yeah. Yes. Oh, that one. Wow, man. Come on. Yes. Let's go, man. Oof. That was like really, really intense. Like, holy, man. But thank God I did that, because that was good. Stop giving me ads. Oh my God. Okay, stage 8. Oh yes, I can get a new thing. Let's go. Okay. Can I buy the treadmill? I want to buy, wait, DM speed low. Is that like a manual trap? What's the next manual trap? The boots. Okay. I see. I want to buy a bomb minion. Okay, so let's upgrade our 4 spikes. Let's upgrade our harpoon thing. Our defense up. Okay. I'm going to equip the acid dripper because that one's really good. I need to move. Okay. So, I'm thinking about putting an acid dripper right here. Yeah, we'll just do that. Why not? Whoa. Oh, they changed. Oh, that's sick. Nice. Okay. I'm going to put a harpoon cannon right there. That's going to be good. Come on, what do you... Oh, that's good. But look how awesome these things look now. The acid dripper didn't change at all, which is pretty annoying. What, you can... Okay, come on. Do the heroes level up too, then? Maybe? Come on, kill him. Yes. Ninja. No, don't die, Ninja. I mean, Ninja, die. I want you to die. Can I put it there? Yes! Yes, he died. Final wave, that's it? That was, okay. That's gonna be, like, really bad now. I'm not sure what to do. Okay, let's put one more. Oh. Ew, no. Heroes incoming. Okay, this is tricky. Let's put... Oh. Okay, I want to put... I don't know what to do. Oh. There. Come on, I just don't... Why can't I collect the coin? Ah! I don't know what to do. I don't know what to... Oh, that was better than I expected, but still not great. Oh, God. Oh. What's this? What does this do? Oh, yeah, that weird thing. Come on. Oh, my God. I'm, like, I'm barely surviving here. My power-ups are helping me out. Put one there. Oh. No. Can I freeze them? Yes. I froze them all at once. That was very nice. Oh, I can do that. Minion. Kill him. Come on, these guys are just like mean. See? Wow, he come and smacked me. It's nice. Oh, jeez. Come on, hurry. I'm really scared right now. I'm really scared. I'm really scared. Come on. Ah. Be quiet. What? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Oh, oops. Oh my god. Oh well. Well, it wasn't that bad, I guess. But still. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's money. Okay. I want to upgrade. Can I upgrade? I want to upgrade. No, I want to save up. See, I'm going to save up. So I need to do stage 9 again. I'm pretty sure. And just no, wait. I completed stage 9 or 8. Yeah. Okay. I'm doing stage 9 now. These levels are really hard, man. Okay, I'm gonna put an acid dripper right here. Okay, I need to strategize about this. I'll put. So the princess is gonna go up a room, and then mostly all the things are gonna come up there at the end. So I don't know how to feel. Oh, well that was a surprise. Oh, huh? Do you know how acid dripper? Do you know how to drip acid on? Oh, finally. Right. Come on, scream. Yes. That didn't even do. Yes. Oh my god. Oh, minion, go, 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 minion, go, minion. No, what are you doing, minion? What are those? Okay, fine. I'm not good at this. Really. Oh, shoot. Come on. I'll put another one up here. Oh, that might have not been smart. That might have not been smart. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Let's put that there. Okay. I'm not sure what I want to do because it doesn't look like there's that many people. Oh, oh, yeah, I am wrong. I am very wrong. There is a lot of people. But I want to see when the new characters come. Like, I want to see all the new heroes and stuff. Because that would be cool. So far, the only new character we have is a ninja. But I want to see, like, a new character. I want to see if there's new characters and stuff. Because when the new characters come, that will be the best part. Yes. I'm pretty sure I have this in the bag. I might be wrong. Oh. There. Okay. So, let's see. Okay, yeah, I poisoned him. Is he still alive? No? He died? Great. Okay. It looks like I'm gonna be winning this battle, guys. I'm not sure, though. Okay? Good. It can always be, too safe. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so, I don't know. I really don't know. Oh, yeah. I am good. Good in the hood. Okay, yeah. Yay. Yeah, let's go. She's what? Oh yeah, she got unseized. I don't want a new. Yeah. Oh my god, I don't want a Rick and Morty game right now. Okay, wait. Minion's level is 500. The next one is 500. But I want the fatty troll though. That's 750. I don't like manual traps. I don't like manual traps. Okay. So yeah. No on the manual traps. Bomb minion or slimy chemicals. Okay, yeah, okay. There's 355.
What are you talking about?
What to do. What? Oh, there's a new character. Sweet. Okay.
Who are you talking to?
Making a video. Oh my god. Sorry. Okay, so, don't know. What, this guy's not nice.
Sorry, Mr. Video, man.
Okay, this guy's not... What? Oh, he's actually not very good. Well, actually, he's really good. But he doesn't shoot minions, so that's... Oh. He does. Or does he? I'm not actually... I don't... That guy's just... I don't... Oh. He can, okay, so he... I'm not sure if he can shoot minions or not. I don't really see. Okay, so we have 55 screams. I'll put... Once I see them coming, I know what I can put. I'm saving up. Okay. He put that. So let's put that there. Shoot. Okay. Put that there. It's a good thing that, like, the regular heroes can't shoot the little spike things, because then that would be broken. Come on. Okay, that's good. I can put this there. Kill him. Come on. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh, whatever. Dang it, she's gonna get seized. The princess is going to get seized. Dang it, man. No! I probably could have... What could I have done differently? Okay, he died. Should I recapture her? I don't think it's worth it, man. Okay, put that there. I don't know. Let's go. Alright. Okay. What? I put that. No. My God. Just die already. If I lose this, I will never forgive myself. Oh my God! Thank God. Oof. That was.
Subscribers are peeling away right now.
Okay. So I'm gonna put a harpoon cannon right here. No. I don't know. Her. Can you press? Minion right there. Okay. Minion right there. What? Why didn't you do that? Okay. Oh shoot. I am going to lose probably. Probably. Yes, yep. No. I'm gonna lose my first battle, probably. Yeah. Why? I was doing so good the whole series up until now. Okay. Spam a bunch of floor spikes. Spam them. Hopefully they'll just die. Come on, die. Yeah, hopefully they'll die right there. Yeah. Come on, just do it. Die already. I'm scared, but it's okay. I'm collecting all the gold. It only does 5 gold. I'm trying to. Okay, let's see. 4 spikes there. Yeah, see, they're all dying. Yes. Stupid that guy. Shucks. I hate that guy. Like, that guy just kills all my traps. So mean. Can you kill a minion? Yes. Oof. Okay. That was really scary. Almost thought I was gonna die, but I didn't. Yes, we got 580. Now we can buy the bomb minion. Unlock. Equip. Change it for that. And equip that. Because the frozen thing isn't really good. Oh, he's 175. Dang it, he's expensive. I wish they showed up the stats as in Clash Royale. But I just tap it and hold it. Okay. I'm gonna put this there. So now I know floor spikes work. Like a lot of them work. So yeah, good to know. The more you know. I'm probably gonna need a minion right there. It gives me enough for That's good. I should not. I don't know if I should put a force. You know what? I'm gonna put an acid dripper there. Yeah, there. That should be good. That should be good for now. Put a minion there. And comment down below what you guys, or what level you guys are at, because I'm like level 9 or 10 or 11. I don't even know what level I am on currently, but yeah, comment down below what level you guys are on. And yeah, and also tell me what strategies I should use to be better, because that would be appreciated, so I can be better at this game, and so I would not try to like be smart. So far I'm doing pretty well, but it's only like yeah. It's only, now it's just the final wave. I haven't used my bomb minion at all though. I'm gonna put it on the first floor though. I'm gonna put it right there. Oh, I am way underprepared. I'm so unprepared. Bomb minion, you better do me work, man. Hopefully this is like, oh my god. No. Dude, I hope if the bomb minion goes off, it's gonna be so satisfying. Dude, if it's just them, I'm gonna be so mad. If it's just him, don't. Okay, I put the bomb minion right there. Do not go off for those 3. Oh my, bruh. I need another bomb minion. Here, you know what? I'm gonna do tactical nuke, cause I literally have no choice. Oh wait. Yes. Oh my god. Don't put traps and minions. Don't place traps on red floors. Okay, I'm level 11, but okay. I'm just seeing what the slimy tentacles will do instead of the bomb minion, because I'm just testing it out. If the slimy tentacles are really, really bad, I'll just switch them out for the other things. It's cheaper, so that's obviously better. Well, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna put that right there. I'm gonna put that right there. And then I most likely will have enough for the minions in a little bit. Oh wait, he has that. Oh shoot. But don't. Oh no, man. No, man. Decided. No. Dude. Yeah. No. You. Oh shoot. Are you gonna do anything? Slimy tentacles are just gonna stand there looking stupid. But I think I'm just gonna lose. What was that? Oh, did I do that? Did I do it? Oh, huh? What was that? What the actual heck? Slimy tentacles. That's the. Yeah, I'm just gonna lose this. Are you serious? I don't have an enemy to save her. Man, you know what? I'm just gonna probably just win this one. Actually, maybe unless these guys are gonna die during the final wave, and then I'm gonna use the tactical nuke, and then it'll be good. Oh my god! What the actual? Did he die? Nice. Okay, when it gets really crowded, I'll use the tactical nuke. I'll be done with this episode because I'm kind of raging right now. I'm not gonna lie. Derpy derp doop. I'm kind of raging right. What the heck is that guy? Do you guys see what I'm seeing right now, or I'm just colorblind or whatever? Because that guy is like on a horse. Whoa, those guys have like really big shields. I'm not prepared. I am not prepared. Hold them off. Hold them off. All you can do. You know what? I'm just gonna save up and just build a whole line of defenses, like on the first floor. Just work with me, game. Work with me. I do not want to have to use any other things. I haven't even used the purple thing on the top. Just spam it with 4 spikes, I guess. Come on, man. You gotta work with me. Oh, they have machine gun Mike there, going crazy. Nice. Okay. Hopefully this can work. This doesn't work. Hopefully this is all the people that are here. I mean, that's nobody else. Already I'm getting flooded with dudes. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Come on, man. Is it working? No? Tactical nuke? I'm so nervous. Kill Machine Gun Mike. Oh my god. But what does this do? Okay. Oh, there are like 0 licks. Only one of them is 0 lick. Is. Are you? What? Oh, they killed Machine Gun Mike. Oh. Oh man. Did he take a picture of himself? Come on. I can do this, man. I can do this. Go, go, go! Come on, minion, go. Kill him, kill him. Shoot him dead. Dang it. Oh well. I'm pretty sure defeated the sexy knight. Yeah! I defeated the sexy, the knight thing. Let's go. Oh, wait. Did I almost, that's actually a lot. Well, I'm going to be ending this episode. What's this? Oh. Wait, let's do this first, actually. Manual traps only. Oh. What do I do? I've not done this before. This is cool, though. That's a lot of traps, man. Do I just watch it? Or do I, like... Oh, shoot. Oh, oops. I don't think I was supposed to do that. Oh. What do I press? Like that? Oh. Nope. Spike ball to death. Tap you. No, I'm not. No. Stop it. I see. This. I do this. That like that. Yes. That son. That's right. Can no scoped. Oh. Princess C's. I didn't. Oh. What? I didn't even see nothing. Where is the princess? Why is he going up? The world would never know. The freeze thing is in a manual trap. They lied to us. Wait, is it supposed to go? Look at those dudes. Do you see guys on the front? On the top? Do you see those guys? Oh, yeah. I lost. I'm gonna exit out. Just because I was just gonna lose. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna end this video. And when you see me next, I will be doing these last 3 levels. And I'm just gonna do the crowning in my own spare time. So thank you guys so much for watching. And DJ goes 88 out.